Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to explore Chartbot, a new chapter in analysis, prediction, as well as trading using Python. Okay, so I have created a project in GitHub. Okay, so in this I'm just first point is that I'm utilizing some of the indicators, market feed, and I've been created even dashboard to get you the chart. And on that chart we try to do some analysis, and we try to do some of the stuffs as machine learning models, deep learning models, and as well as backtesting stuff. And if able to do other stuff, we will try to add the trading as well. Okay, so as of right now what I've been done, I'm going to show you. So I've been utilize this fast API, and in this case there is no coding, but a presentation will be there. For coding I will get you the link of this GitHub. Just try to download and explore. Okay, so some of the initial prerequisite thing is required is you definitely have an account. Okay, so you can have the account by having this link. Okay, you can visit www.profitadaweb.com and just click on this, visit Delta Exchange India, sign up, and just have an account. Okay, and to get this stuff, and especially we are utilizing this Delta API. Mainly we are looking for the input, so that reason we should explore this stuff, and it will be purely utilizing Python request, and kind of a API stuff will be there. So as it offers REST API, so we require some of the parameters. For that reason we should explore this stuff. Okay, and what are the stuffs are there which we need to check out is we have to get with our historical candles data. Okay, so by left hand side you just click on this historical OCC candles, you will get some parameters with value. Okay, so some of the charts which is available, if you are not storing, and if you are already available data as an historical data or say data feed, you can explore all the stuff. Okay, so 135, all of the parameters is acceptable, and some of the symbols, and you have to give start and end, which is already we know that we are exploring in Python. So we try to get this API, so I'm gonna utilize this API, and I'm gonna give the parameters, and I will give the symbol resolution, and we are good to go. Okay, so these are the things which you are going to just see this stuff. Okay, because I'm gonna explore this one in my Visual Studio Code. As of right now we'll see the execution part, so I'm gonna do fresh stuff. So just in CMD, get in CMD, because if I have to create this environment, so I have a Python which is 3.10, and I have to say in this way which virtual environment will be there, so v and v, and I will create a temporary folder. Okay, but to get this stuff, first of all I just get in my desktop. Okay, then I will say Python -m venv, and then I have to give my folder which will be temporary. Okay. So it's creating all of the Python packages, required scripts. To activate this stuff we need a line, and for that also it is creating scripts folder and activation and even library stuff, Python packages. Yes, so a number of things is getting created. So base platform is got created. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to get in that folder. Okay, and we can say as this stuff dots, you have to give a backward slash and say scripts /activate, so our virtual environment get activated. Okay, and now we need to bring our GitHub. Okay, so in GitHub what you have to do, I'll just show you. There will be download will be there. So if you just click on this code, okay, so a download zip will be there. So if you just click, it will ask for you the folder, and all we have to do is start to save. Okay, only I try to show my directories, whatever I got. I will just definitely get a zip folder which I have extracted, and I just took it out as I straight away said as Chartbot main. Okay, so now if I have to get in this stuff and do some installation, what I can say, cd Chartbot main. Okay, and we already in our script activated. Now we have to say pip install. So in our folder we have a requirements.txt, so all you have to say -r requirements.txt, and r means read. Okay, so let those stuff. So what are the things are required? We require pandas, request, a fast API, UVCon. Okay, and UVCon is one of the best. It supports kind of a server for your local host, and it delivers a best executed result. Okay, and if you try to get with other stuff, it will kind of a problem. Okay, as you can see, our installation is perfectly done. If you want to upgrade or anything mismatched, you just try to do this from your side, but I think it is easy to go. Okay, even the coding part is not much as hard or too much fantasy kind of a stuff. I've been included all of the stuff from the basic which I've been given in my website. You just try to code and look the code. Even the part which I've been done, I try to explain in my next videos. Okay, so learning would definitely will be there, and the execution side and some of the things which I'm giving you as part of an execution analysis prediction, and to ease up your trading as well. Okay, so the next thing is you have to execute this dashboard. What do you have to say? I mean, we just clear it out first. We just have to say UVCon. You just don't run this Python dashboard or something. Just say UVCon as dashboard supported. It will get you a best thing. Dashboard is so dashboard.py is there. So I have to say app, and one more stuff is there as the reload. So if you try to add, it will be like if anything happens this or that, you try to reload or something. But I think dashboard to app is good. Okay, and we just have to click, and it will generate some of the CSV files, and it will get you a localhost website kind of a thing, where you just if you get over there, everything will be there. Okay, we just have to say control, and we click on this one, and it will get to our websites. Okay, let's move to the website and I'll show you further. Okay, as you can see, I've just launched the localhost website 8000 port, and it is already suggesting that this message will be helpful. Yes, if you just get in home, exactly you don't know what parameters to be set. Okay, because what we are doing as of right now, it is we are trying to simplify, and we don't know where to go. So we can copy this stuff, and if you just enter / this stuff, it will get you a wonderful chart. Okay, and this chart is like properly updated, the 15-minute interval, and the time which I'm talking about has been adjusted whatever the data is got, it generated CSV files, and the web this chart is got loaded, okay, with the price, volume, and even the RSI part. Okay, so I can customize as per this requirement, and I will definitely gonna update this stuff and I will give it in my GitHub, so that will easy for you as well as me. Okay, so before exploring this stuff, I will get you some of the basics. Suppose if you I have just given through the web browser, if I just have to give some of the input side, so there is already fast API as in get, put, post, delete something, okay, as CRUD operation, so it is already there. So we got a home. Okay, so if you just click on this home, click on this execute, and here you can see that whatever the result has a message I got as a response body. Okay, and all of the information is already contained, what we are doing and what is all the stuff. Okay, and there is a number of things which you can explore here, so we no need, and we'll cancel this stuff and we try to get the chart. Okay, so in this I just try it out. So what happens, it will open for me to get any of this which I'm looking for. So it's 15 minutes is there. I just go with the 30 minute to show you that results get vary. Okay, and I just have to click on the execute and it will give me a proper result on the required stuff. Okay, so the 30 minute is there and you can see the result. This is 30th minute chart, and this is the body of the chart request URL. Okay, if you just copy this URL and if you just execute, I mean see this stuff. So if you just take it from here and just copy, this is also works the best. Okay, and if you don't want, you can straight away execute here as well. Okay, so 38 minute is there. So you know the parameters I already explained. So 38 minutes there, just you have to say 1 hour. Okay, and there is already moving averages there, which is like, you know, as 369. Okay, 369, it is one of the best period moving average. Okay, as per the intraday and swing trading analysis, it is one of the best. And even for the RSI for overbought and oversold with volume profile, okay, panels are there. And even I've been discussed a lot of stuff about the plotting charts. Okay, and even I will try to discuss the customize as well. I try to add in GitHub as well. You can explore. Even if you want to do analysis, it will be best. And in this giving response or something, input or something, you just in few changes. Suppose if I ask for as a 5 minute or something and just click, it will get me a 5 minute chart as in including days equals 1. Okay, so that is how you can go. If I say like the parameters allowed for 4 hours as well, so if I just have to give 4 hours, and if I say days equals 3, I can get this stuff. Okay, and I can do changes as per my requirement. So yeah, I can give it another symbol as well. So just few edits and we are good to go. So as we do it for our API, okay, same thing which we can do. We just have to click and explore, and the content information whichever it is available, it is like, whatever the things are there, you can just change it in few seconds and the plots will be available to you. Okay, so a lot of stuff you need to add in your particular third-party chart, but in this customization, what happens, in just one click everything will be available. And not just this stuff, you can add the machine learning model stuff and can analyze and can predict, and then you can utilize the same web framework for training purpose as well. Okay, so we try to explore as much as possible, but I must say this simpler stuff, you just see these things and try to execute from your side and let me know your feedback. Okay, as right now I will wind up this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me that by WhatsApp. Okay.